Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome to Let's Crack Chemist YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the most important topics for JEE Main 2020. As we all know that our JEE Main has been postponed from 1st to 6th September. So let's see those super duper easy topics and important topics in PCM. So let's begin. First, for physics we have is EMI and AC. On an average we see two questions from this chapter. Okay. Next we have modern physics. Modern physics includes atoms, nuclei, dual nature and semiconductors and devices. We see almost 4 to 5 questions every year from this section of modern physics, and modern physics is one of the most scoring, be it CBSE boards or JEE Main 2020. Next is error analysis. On an average we have one question from this particular topic. This is class 11 topic, error analysis. Next is gravitation. Gravitation also we see one question, okay, and a simple topic to do. From gravitation, not so difficult topic, okay, you only have from the laws of Kepler's laws, and all from those topics you see questions from gravitation. Next, optics. Optics is ray and wave optics. When you are studying ray and wave optics, we see that wave optics is a bit difficult to study. Ray optics is easy but quite lengthy topic, and the most repeated concept from a ray optics is your optical instruments, okay, microscope and telescope. So we see 2 to 3 questions from both this. Normally if you have 3 questions, one comes from wave optics and 2 comes from ray optics. Ray optics is given more priority as compared to wave optics. Next, thermal physics. Thermal physics includes chapters like thermal properties of matter, thermodynamics and KTG, which is kinetic theory of gases. We see 2 questions. Next one is electrostats. Electrostats is one such chapter which is difficult to study. If you have prepared from the beginning very seriously, you can crack it. But if you take it now, I would suggest do not take it now, because it's a very conceptually difficult chapter, but we see 2 questions on an average coming. Next, we move to mathematics. In mathematics, we have vectors and 3D. Almost NCERT level questions are asked from vectors and 3D dimensional geometry. Okay, 4 questions we see every year in JEE Main. It's okay if you practice only from your NCERT syllabus. Limits and derivatives, we see 2 questions. Limits, you have your L'Hopital rule being asked the most, and some standard formulas also. Sequence and series, harmonic progression, arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and sum to n terms, the general term, this one. Next, AOD, 2 questions we have. AOI, area under the curve. Okay, we see 1 question but not so repetitive. Okay, next, probability, 1 to 2 questions. Okay, statistics, 1 question mainly based on mean and variance. Okay, next we have this complex numbers, again 2 questions. They are mainly based on cube roots of unity. Set theory, we see 1 question which is your Venn diagram. Okay, 40% students go for chemistry, 30% of physics, basically your NCERT level questions. Moving on to chemistry. In chemistry we have biomolecules. Just read your NCERT properly, you will score in this chapter very well. In every shift we have 1 question. Even if you take your JEE Main Jan 2020 papers, you will see questions coming up. 1 question every shift. Polymers, every year 1 question. I have started the revision lecture series on polymers. If you find it helpful, please watch it. I am teaching it part by part for students. Okay, polymers we see 1 question. Coordination compounds is a bit difficult chapter, but we see around 4 to 5 questions in every shift. If you take JEE Main Jan shift, okay, there are 4 questions in every shift. So it's a must do topic, though it's a bit difficult. S block, class 11, we see 1 question, many from the reactions part. D and F block, again 1 question. D block is given more importance as compared to F block. Hydrogen, 1 question. And environmental chemistry, 1 question. I haven't included P block, it's a very big topic, but still if you've already mastered it, well, good to go. So by studying these 15 plus 825 chapters, you can easily score 150 plus marks. I have proof for these chapters. I have noted down these questions by using a book which I refer, which is our JEE Main past 16-year question paper. So these, you can trust what I have written on the board and the questions which have come in every year. Do like the video if you like this video. Okay, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel Let's Crack Chemistry. Okay, I'll meet you soon tomorrow with yet another interesting video. Any comments you have, leave with a hashtag race restarted for JEE Main 2020. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you soon.